today I'll be teaching you how to make chicken rice with chicken cutlet, which is breaded chicken and it's very tasty. Even children can make it, just that you need parental guidance. For this, we need 300 grams of chicken chopped into cubes like this. Now we're going to marinate it. It's better if you use a glove. And remember, we're making a super simple chicken rice that even kids can make. To marinate, we're going to crack an egg into the chicken. One teaspoon of 5-spice powder. If you don't have this, you can make it at home. I'll leave the recipe in the description. Now we're going to put in half a teaspoon of meat tenderizer. You can find meat tenderizer in the spice section of your supermarket. Meat tenderizer comes in liquid and powder form. If you don't have this, you can use light soy sauce. We're also going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to rub all the ingredients into the chicken and then we can set it aside to marinate. Now we're going to cover this and marinate it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes and up to an hour. For the chicken rice, we need 1.5 cup of Thai rice. So I'm using a measuring cup to measure, and this is 1.5 cups of Thai rice. Now we're going to rinse and drain the rice. So I rinsed and drained the rice. For the rice, you need 2 to 3 teaspoons of spring onions. Only use the white bulb portion. If you don't have it, you can use chopped shallots. And we also need 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger and 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. Now we're going to cook the chicken rice. First, we're going to add some oil into the electric rice cooker. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. First, we're going to add the 2 teaspoons of spring onion. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic and 2 teaspoons of ginger. I'll be adding the garlic first. You need 2 teaspoons of that. And now you need 2 teaspoons of ginger. Now we're going to stir this until it's fragrant. Make sure not to burn your hands on the side of the rice cooker. You could ask your parent to help you with this step. We want to make sure the ingredients are nice and fragrant, but make sure that they don't turn brown. Remember to not take your eyes off these. And before it turns brown, we're going to add a cube of Knorr chicken stock. Add the chicken stock cube and mash it quickly into the ingredients. Now we're going to add 3 cups of water. All those sizzling noises are gone. So the chicken salt cube is salty. If you want, you can add a little bit more salt. I'm just adding a 1/4 teaspoon. Now we're going to cover the rice cooker and wait for the water to come to a simmer. So I've taken the chicken out of the fridge and let it out, and it has become room temperature again. Over here I have 1 cup plain flour and 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. So first we're gonna dip the chicken in the flour mixture to coat it nicely. Wash your hands before you do this or use gloves. While doing this, just put it to a side of the plate. You can season the flour with salt and pepper. Do each piece of chicken and move them to the side to make it easier. Once all the pieces are coated, dip it back inside the marinating sauce so that it will be a little moist again. Once we've dipped it into the marinade, we're going to roll it in the panko breadcrumbs. This will make the chicken nice and crispy. Set that aside in another plate. Repeat those steps with all the chicken. If at any point you run out of marinade, just pour a little bit of water into the bowl to use for dipping. So here our chicken cutlets are all breaded. Now the stock is coming just to a simmer and we can add the rice. Give it a stir and cover until the rice cooker setting shows that it's cooked. Shallow fry the breaded chicken on both sides till golden brown to cook through. Seek help from your parents. So once the rice cooker setting goes to warm, our rice is ready. Once done, make sure to turn the rice cooker off so that a layer of rice at the bottom won't burn. Fluff up the rice. Now it's ready to serve. It smells delicious. Now we made a soup to go along with the chicken rice. In this, there are 3 cups of chicken stock, grated cabbage, a tiny bit of grated carrots, and some spring onions. You can use a chicken stock cube, or you can also use chicken stock which was naturally made at home. Our chicken rice with crispy chicken cutlet and soup is ready. You can also add a few slices of cucumber. Hope you try out this recipe. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Bye!